My name's Todd Myers. I'm the fire chief here in Wrigglesville. My biggest pet peeve is clutter in everybody's home. Can't tell you how many times over the last 40 years we've gone into a home where we couldn't operate because of stuff. And that's the big thing. Attics, basements, access to stairways, bedrooms. If you don't use it, throw it out, pick up your stuff, put it away, because it helps the emergency responders tenfold if you call us for help. That's really important. Other things is smoke detectors. Believe it or not, in the 21st century, people still don't have smoke detectors. Check your batteries. Replace them twice a year. And have a fire safety plan at home. I mean, this is drilled into you guys at school. You got to practice with mom and dad. If there's a problem, you have to have a place to meet on the second floor, on the first floor, and then exit the building safely. Volunteerism in America is what makes America strong. All the organizations need help. We have active roster about 25 men and women, plus 20 auxiliary members. And it takes all that cohesive work together to make this operation run. So if you're interested in volunteering for a fire service, the medical service, or anything else in the community, I highly recommend getting involved, because that's the way we give back to the people that support us. I've been a volunteer in the fire service for 41 years. I've met a lot of great people. I've done a lot of fascinating things in my career, and it makes me feel good when I go home at the end of the day or at the end of a call, knowing that there's folks like us and the rest of the surrounding fire departments in the medical service that provide, this type of, commitment to our community. So I say to young people, get involved in something. Besides the monthly breakfast, throughout the year we have dinners, ham and roast beef dinners, spaghetti dinners, pork and sauerkraut dinners. They're typically in the fall to early winter. And then during the Lenten season, we have a fish fry every Friday night. So that's 6 or 8 weeks of a lot of meals going out of here.